Hey guys, today I'm going to show you how to replace this Asus ZenFone Max Pro M1 battery. So as you can see, the battery has puffed up on this phone, and on the back side it's also puffed up. So now don't make the mistake that I do, that always turn off the phone, and also you will see later in the video to remove the SIM card. Okay, now we can proceed. So now there is no glue that holds the back panel in place. Instead, you have to just pry it out with a screwdriver or any pry tool. And this takes quite a lot of effort if you do it for the first time. So be sure not to crack the screen or anything. So now as you can see, the battery has puffed up from the right side. Now there are a few more screws holding the plastic cover on top. After removing the screws, I'm going to pry away this plastic cover. Now before removing the plastic cover, make sure you remove the, the fingerprint scanner cable, and if you want you can also disconnect the battery cable just like this and replace it. And as you can see, the battery pull tab is useless and just broke off. So make sure you don't puncture the battery by prying it out. So now this is the old battery versus the new battery. As you can see, they are both similar. Now the glue residue is enough to hold the new battery back in place. I'm just going to go ahead and remove this whole plastic thing because I have to attach the fingerprint scanner back to the place. Once that is done, you can put the plastic piece back. Make sure everything is connected, the battery and a few other relevant cables. Lastly, make sure you turn on the phone and check the battery before closing it up. That's it.